Hi friends, welcome back to my channel 100% genuine. Hope you people are doing good. Today on behalf of you we brought wonderful network marketing plan. This is Wipro company. Now we are going to know details about Wipro. Wipro directors have had vast earlier experience in multi-level marketing, financial services, investment banking and policies. Process. Wipro provide you powerful platform to provide them best environment to act and achieve big as well as to create your present. Wipro fully depend on our customers' work and hard work. For true clarification, we have legal document, MSME and GST. Uh, Before giving explanation, many people have desired dreams to get wonderful education, financial freedom, and to lead a luxury life. But only some people can achieve. So Wipro gives us wonderful platform. For joining in Wipro, we should invest 30 rupees for joining. With only 30 rupees of investment for our family better life. With this 30 rupees, we provide your people an outstanding opportunity. First in this process, we are the main candidate. We should join first. Then we should join 3 members. From each candidate we can get 10 rupees. So 3 into 10 30 rupees. From that 3 persons, each person should join 3 candidates. From that each person 2 rupees we can gain. So 9 into 2 18 rupees we can get. From that 9 members, each candidate should join 3 members. From that each person we can gain 12 rupees. So 27 into 12 342. In first level we can get 372 income total. If you people want to join in second level, from this 372 rupees what we have gained in first level, we should reinvest 150 rupees. Remaining balance 222 rupees we can withdraw. How we invested 150 rupees? For the candidates in the first level, the 3 candidates should whom we join, they should also reinvest 150 rupees. When they reinvest, then we can gain 50 rupees from each candidate. So 3 into 50 150 we can gain. 9 candidates whom we join in first level, they should reinvest 150 rupees. Then we can gain 10 rupees from each candidate. So 9 into 10 90 rupees we can get. 27 candidates whom we join in first level, they should also reinvest 150 rupees. Then we can gain 60 rupees from each candidate. Then 27 into 60 is equal to 1620. In second level we can get total 1860 rupees. Like this we have 3 4 5 6 7 8, total 9 levels we have. First level product purchase 30 rupees, second level product purchase 150 rupees, third level product purchase 350 rupees. Note, these 2 level products are free. We will deliver with the third level product and fourth level product. Fourth level product purchase 2000, fifth level product purchase 5000, sixth level product purchase 20,000, seventh level product purchase 50,000, eighth level product should purchase 1 lakh. Then 9th level product should purchase 15 lakh. Franchise income. Buy 20 pins, get 2 pins free. Buy 50 pins, get 5 pins free. Buy 70 pins, get 7 pins free. Buy 100 pins, get 10 pins free. Terms and conditions. Joining 30 rupees. Daily closing, daily payout. Withdrawals time 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Minimum withdrawal 100 rupees. Admin charge 10 rupees plus TDS charge 5%. Helpline number and on bank details. Wipro company offer elbow products, electrical products and electronics general storage for coming soon. If we want to repurchase the products, if you like, for purchasing the products, they will offer discount. For future plannings, Wipro company going to give rewards. Thank you.